Hello, Prim friends. So this is a fun location I'm bringing you through right now, and if I get quiet for a while, it is because I am not comfortable talking while other customers are walking around. I am currently at the Cluttered Coop in Wooster, Ohio, and she did give me permission to video and post this online, so I get to bring you all with me on this really fun Christmas open house that she's having here at the shop today. The Cluttered Coop is in, there are just various little outbuildings, chicken coops or sheds and old tin buildings. I told her that was like a Jenga game. Those are old sap bucket lids. It's just all displayed so sweetly. It is truly eye candy for those of us who love this style. Amazing butcher block table right there, and then there's a small countertop butcher block. Something so warm about these old rescued pieces. I'm going to wander over to the next little shop. Now again, if somebody's in here, I'm going to stop talking. It is dark in these, and there is no light pretty much in these little sheds. So you have to take a minute and let your eyes adjust to what you're seeing. And things are just on top of things, so you've got to really look. There's an old bee smoker. Things with the bees always catch my eye. Having lived in Medina, Root Candle Company is in Medina, so all things bees. Our kids' high school mascot were the bees. Some neat old barrels. Would be amazing in a pantry. Looking forward to our house being finished. Okay, I'm going to go on to the next building, but you can see just how awesome these things are all displayed here. And you just wander from one to another. She's not open every day. She's open on certain days during, I think it's Saturday and Sundays, and I'll double check on those dates and or those times and post those. This is the building where you pay, and I'll wander around in there in a minute as well. Just love that. Awesome green shutters with that neat curve on top.
I have priced too much stuff.
Love that old barn door. Another barn door. The basket on top. And we'll go in here, and hopefully my camera keeps readjusting to the light as I go from outside to inside. Look how the little bottle brush trees are tucked in here and there. So this is clearly a little room or a shop with the sewing theme, with the sewing drawers and some fabrics and dish towels, clothespins. looks like an old cheese box. And you buy these by the scoop. It's $1.50 a scoop. It's just a fun shop. Love that old barn vent, painted barn vent. Definitely thinking about that windmill.
Did I miss lunch?
Right there. Oh, wait a minute.
Love these pieces of wood trim. And we're inside a corn crib. Again, just so adorably displayed. And that shelf unit I didn't notice before. I'm gonna have to check that out for sure. My surprises are already loaded in the car. You'll see those later.
There might be one in the coop there you can catch.
Love all the feed sacks and the little gourds hanging on the Christmas tree. And lots of garden implements here in the back. The painted fork. Cute. $5. And the rake. $5 also. So I will end this video here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, wonderful week. Keep hunting for those primitives, and if you have not visited our area of Ohio for these shops, I highly recommend it. I should have if you're watching this on a desktop, on a computer, you should be able to hit the subscribe button right there on the bottom lower right corner, and you should be able to subscribe to our channel. And then also hit that little bell, and that will give you a notification when the next video uploads, so that you're aware quickly when there's a new one. Plus check the old ones. We have a whole bunch. And on that note, we will sign off for the day. Keep hunting for those primitive treasures.